you're all doing great. So in today's video I am gonna try a lot of new products, and I created this look with all the products, and it was like I tried a lot of products for the first time. It was kind of a review and my thoughts about these products and a little haul kind of a thing. So yeah. I got a foundation, a concealer, a powder, and a setting spray, eyeliner, mascara and lipstick. That's all I got. So I got this K Beauty foundation.
So let's get right into this video
and do our priming, and then we're gonna use this foundation. So I applied my primer and now it's time for some foundation. This is the K Beauty foundation and it is in the shade 130 Y medium. Why medium? Because I am in the shade medium.
And they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine. But
it costs like 1200 rupees. Now let's see if it's worth it
or not.
Oh my god, look at this coverage. I love this coverage. Look at this. Look at this. It looks so natural. None of my previous foundations were this good. So yeah, K Beauty foundation, you are getting a 9 out of 10. So now let's apply this Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Now let's blend this concealer out with a beauty blender. So this is my concealer done. I really like it. I guess it is a little lighter.
You think it's like, yeah, it's a little lighter.
And from up close, it looks pretty cakey, I'm gonna say. It's like a good concealer if you need a concealer for your daily day-to-day basis, and if you just are gonna apply a concealer and then you're gonna go. But if you apply a heavy foundation and a heavy concealer, then your face is gonna end up looking cakey. So it's not my favorite concealer, I would say. But it's an affordable concealer, and if you are new for this whole makeup thing, you should definitely buy a concealer that is in this price range. And Maybelline is one of the best companies for affordable products and nice quality. So I'm gonna give this a 6 out of 10, I guess. 6.5 out of 10, I guess. So now we're gonna apply powder. I'm so excited, and this is the Fit Me powder that I'm gonna use. It is also a Maybelline product,
and I am very excited, okay?
I wanted to buy this powder since like so long, and I finally got it, so yay! This is in the shade 25 medium. So I'm gonna do a little bit of baking, not a lot, with this powder. Oh my god, it is such a good product. Look at this, I don't even feel dry. So I have a dry skin problem, and whenever I apply powders on my face, I end up feeling very chalky and dry. So this doesn't do that so far. So I did my eyebrows. Now we're gonna do eyeshadow. So I did not order any eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna use my other eyeshadow palette to just do a very little bit of color on my eyes
So that I don't look dead already.
and I will be back. Okay, so now I'm back and I applied my eyeshadow. I just did a very subtle little
Thing on my eyes, and
now we're gonna apply my winged eyeliner, and for that I am gonna use my K Beauty Eye Stylist Liquid Eyeliner.
I'm gonna try this. It is in the shade.
Black Canvas. Here's the eyeliner. I really like packaging of this.
Now let's do a winged eyeliner.
And then I'm gonna tell you guys how I like it. Okay, so this is my eyeliner done. I wouldn't say that this was a very easy eyeliner and one of the best eyeliners, because the tip of this eyeliner is very thin and like a brush. So you have to be very careful. You can easily mess it up. And sometimes when the tip is thicker, you have more control for some reason, but when it's so thin, it's like very hard. So if you're a person who can do eyeliners very easily, and if you are a pro at it, then this is a very good eyeliner for you. But if you're a beginner and if you have a lot of problems when you try to do a winged eyeliner like me, then it is not going to be the best option for you. But it is a very like fine tipped eyeliner, so if you are looking for something like that, then you should definitely consider this. And okay, I am gonna be honest with you guys, it's super thin, so I don't think it's very convenient to most of the people. And the black canvas shade is pretty shiny, like it's not matte. I like a matte. So if you want an eyeliner that looks pretty much like this, then consider it. It's up to you. I'm gonna link all the product link in my description. Okay, so I'm gonna give this eyeliner a 5.5. It's a good eyeliner. The packaging wise, it has like 8 or 10, but the product wise, the all over, I think it is a 5.5. Okay, so now our eyeliner is also done. Now it's time for some mascara. And for my mascara, I have this L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. And I am ready for it. So this is my pretty much eye look all complete, and now we're gonna do this mascara. And first I am gonna curl my eyelashes, and then we're gonna apply this mascara. The last mascara that I used is this. It is from Maybelline and it is the Falsies Push Up Drama mascara, and I loved this mascara so much. I don't go a single makeup look without applying mascara. So like mascaras are important to me, alright? So this is the side with mascara and this is the side without mascara. And if you're not wearing a thick eyeliner like this, you can see a mascara way better. It's a nice mascara, and I don't need to like take more product. It's like one dip is more than enough. So yeah, it's a good mascara. I like it. Okay, so my mascara part is done, and I really like this product. It has a nice wand. Like this wand can hold a lot of product when you take it out or something, so you don't have to like re-dip it over and over again when you are applying your mascara. And 7.5 out of 10 for me. Am I being helpful with whatever I'm speaking? I don't know. So the only two products left are lipstick and setting spray, which are brand new. I actually have tried this lipstick before because I was so curious to try it. It's a cushion lipstick, and I had never tried a cushion lipstick or anything like that before. So I was like, I want to try this lipstick when as soon as it arrived. So I did try it before. But yeah, this is something new. And before that, I am just gonna apply a little bit of blush, contour, highlight with my other products, not new. And then I'm gonna be back and we will use some lipstick and the new setting spray. Okay guys, so I quickly just applied a little bit of blush, contour and highlight. It looks nice, right? My face is glowing, right? Oh my god. So now I forgot that I also got a new set of eyelashes. I didn't get this from Nykaa, I got this from Amazon, and I'm gonna link it down below. And let's do this. I am not really in the mood to wear a new pair of eyelashes, but I'm gonna wear them because I should, and I always regret when I don't wear eyelashes. So I applied my eyelashes, and these are very affordable eyelashes, and they come in like 5 sets of eyelashes. It's amazing, and it looks really nice on the eyes as well, and I really like it. It's a good product. I don't think it's a very natural eyelashes because of course it's cheap and it's something you would want to wear if you are doing a makeup look and if you just wanna like apply eyelashes. But if you are looking for eyelashes that you would like to go out with, then maybe you can invest in a better natural looking pair. But it's still a good eyelash product. I love eyelashes like these. And yeah, it's like 8 out of 10. It's amazing. Now we're gonna apply my lipstick. Yes. So for my lipstick today, I am gonna use this Nykaa Wonder Puff Cushion Lipstick in the shade Busy Bee. And it is a red shade. I needed a new red lipstick so bad. And actually this product costs like 900 rupees for each of these lipsticks. Like 899 rupees for each of these. But I got it in sale. I got it in like 450 rupees, which is, I know, I am smart. Okay. So let's apply some lipstick and then I'm gonna talk about it more. So it's like a very buildable type of lipstick. It's a sheer coverage one, would like to call it that way. And yeah, I want a red pop, so I'm gonna apply more. This is too layers. So I like that in this lipstick, because when you're using a red lipstick, mostly you mess it up.
Because it's like a very
Full coverage thing. So when you have like something that is sheer coverage and buildable, it's more comfortable using something like that, if I make sense. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna give this lipstick a 10. Okay, so this gets a 10 on 10 for me because it's something new, it's something fun, it's something fresh. It's a buildable liquid lipstick, which is something that I loved about it, and it's a very comfortable. It has this very comfortable cushion thingy to apply, and a very fun, like a pen thing to just get the product out. It's a very fresh thing and new thing, and I like it. So a 10 on 10. And the last product of this whole shebang is this setting spray from NYX. Do you call it NYX or do you call it NYX? Comment down below. Okay, so I have never used setting spray in my life. That's weird, right? It's weird. I'm a makeup artist and I never use setting spray. It's weird, yeah. I got it in dewy finish, and it has two types, dewy finish and matte finish. If you're a person who has oily skin but you also like setting your makeup, and if you want it to be long wearing, then you should try the matte finish one. But I am a person with dry skin, so I want a little bit of moisture even after I have applied my everything makeup. And whenever I apply my makeup, the powder and everything makes me look very chalky, and I just need more spray or something like that. So I thought that this is gonna be the perfect option for me, and now let's apply it. I should stop talking finally. It gives me the dewy finish, do you see? Yeah, it's nice. I mean, how do I judge a setting spray? I am using one for the first time. Okay, so I'm gonna rate this 7.5 because it is a good product. I don't think it has the best scent, and the packaging is also pretty whatever. It's a good thing. If you need a setting spray in your budget, then you should go for this one, and I think it's a good product. So that was it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below if you want me to try any new products, or if you have any suggestions about this video, and subscribe to our channel to never miss any other update from me on YouTube, and hit the bell icon to watch my videos first. I will see you guys on my next one, and until then, please stay safe, wash your hands, sanitize your hands all the time, wear your mask, don't go out if it's not necessary. Yes, very important. Now bye!